Alright, today I'm going to be putting on a new windshield. And a new charging port. I have the wireless charger for my phone, but I wanted to put this on for when I'm on long trips, charging camera batteries and different stuff like that. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we're going to get started first with this windshield. Got it off of Amazon, and I just double checked on Amazon. It definitely said XR650. I think the DR is pretty close, but we're gonna check it out and see, because I have to drill holes, so I don't really want to drill holes for this thing if it's not going to fit properly. Oh, I got something nasty on here. Dang. $10mm. Alright, well, I got my dots. Kind of just lined it up, eyeballed it a little bit. So couldn't really see a better way of doing it. Measured it a little bit, but here we go. A little nervous. All right. Come on. Come on. Yeah, that one's just a little bit far off. No big deal. I'm assuming. Got her on. She's looking good. Looking good. Little bit crooked, but that's all right. Still gonna do the same thing. Put these bolts back in there, and we're right. Oh, I got a bug on me. Oh, I got a bug on me. What the heck was that? Excited to see how this is gonna feel, honestly. This ain't lining up. There she goes. This is one of those things. I keep forgetting every little tiny thing I need to be putting this on, dude. Even the freaking headlight. Looks sitting on the bike. Ooh, that's weird. Super weird. I'm glad I didn't get the darker one. I thought the clear one I would be able to like see straight through it, but honestly it feels a little bit, there's like a weird, I can't see nothing through it, so. But it's really not blocking any more in my view. Hopefully, it doesn't feel like it's as tall as I thought it would be. Hopefully it'll still block a lot of the wind. Now I'm looking at these handlebars. I don't know how well that new thing is gonna go on here. It's either gotta go somewhere before the bar gets thicker. That'd be nice if it could go down here. Maybe it can. I'll have to check it out. But I think I'm going to install that later today when it cools down, and I'm going to go for a ride now. I'm already not particularly enjoying this vibration. got a weird feeling. Everything looks like it's screwed in right. I guess I didn't notice this one vibrating before, maybe. I think that's what it is. I just didn't notice the little white piece vibrating, and now I'm noticing the bigger piece. I think if I got like a piece of foam and stuck it like right in here, it'll keep it from vibrating so much. Brother! Some road glides. What's up? The windshield's not really bouncing around anymore, it's just blowed all the way down now. Yeah, I'm not too sure I love that, but we might have to figure out a way to fix that. Put a little piece of foam in there or something. Oh, it's a guy and his wife. That's cool. Friggin' sweet bikes, man. If that friggin' trooper wasn't right there, I don't have patience for this. I wonder if that's a trooper from yesterday. Eek. Alright, well, we got about 60 miles with the new windshield on, and I'm feeling pretty dang good, I'm not gonna lie. I think I've ridden it long enough to be able to tell the difference, and this is something right here I was not able to do. I just noticed it earlier when I was messing around with my phone, which I shouldn't be doing, but hey. But I was not able to do, you know, ride one hand. I could do this on my Transalp, no problem, because it had a big old windshield. But I was not able to do this on this bike before, at this speed. Maybe I could have, but I would have been holding on for dear life, which I'm not. Like, this is chill. But I just wanted to say to all my anybody viewing my videos, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Every view I get is much appreciated. Every like I get, every subscription or whatever, every single one of you who's watching my videos, I really appreciate it. And I just wanted to say thank you to everybody, and God bless.